Hi everyone, my name is Aishwarya. I am presenting in Innovation and Design Thinking workshop and I am from first year Electronics and Communication Engineering from Srinivas Institute of Technology. My startup company name is Easy Life, product name is Book and proposed name is Digital Book, and next is empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one is interactive maps, customization options, adjustable font size and style, color themes, text to speech, define based on the empathizing state and customering. Considering the feelings and requirement of customers, many new features are added to the existing product are exiting product name, normal book, futuristic product name, digital book, ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Pen holder, leather sleeves, binding, touchscreen LED, capacitive touchscreen sensors, and prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured time. Con- due to time, the mentor advised to draw the sketch. The sketch is given below. And testing stage. I request the viewers of the presentation video to comment comment your options to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.